Make a great choice today with the 2017 Yaris IA. The Toyota Yaris IA performs, handles, is safer, more fuel efficient, and better equipped than almost any other vehicle within its class. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires front all season, tires front performance, tires rear all season. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.